Okay, so I have a iMac mount here. It's called the VESA standard. It's a Stand Max CB VESA mounting adapter kit for an iMac. So it's up to 27 inch, as you can see. So it's 21.5 to 27-inch iMac, and you can get this at VESAus.www. Yeah, whatever. So there's really not much on the packaging. You can see the mount there and where it mounts. So this here adapter this mounts to your stand of your 27-inch iMac, and then this here is where your wall mount would mount to that. It's pretty simple. Let's just open it up, take a quick look. So obviously you get your hardware, and there's probably different size screws for different applications. This here is the plastic that goes into the little ring of the stand where your wire goes through. So here is the mounting brackets for the stand itself. It's all nice, same color as what your iMac stand would be. You get your instructions. I purchased this off Amazon, so if anybody's interested in where I got that, that's where I purchased it, was Amazon. As you can see, there's the installation instructions. Nothing to it. So this here goes on the outside of your iMac, and I assume it goes on like this. And then my wall mount that I bought from my iMac hooks to this. So let's just give a hold of that, and I'll show you the wall mount that I purchased. Mounting Dream. So this is the full motion TV wall mount. As you can see, it has different holes there for different applications. It shouldn't be hard to install this at all. Really shouldn't have to do an unboxing of this, but I'll just show you the one that I purchased for this VESA wall mount. So as you can see, there it is right there. Nothing to it. So it's compatible up to 26 inch. We all know the iMacs are not that heavy, so this 27-inch iMac should work fine. Here's your mounting hardware. Everything you should need to mount this on to the wall in your iMac. There's the lag bolts. And then there's the stand. So really, what I'll do is I'll install this. I don't want to mix up any parts, but I'll install this to the mounting bracket to the iMac, and then I'll show you after it's all done. And then I will show you a video of the installation of the TV mount and everything on the wall. So let me get to it, and I'll just show you here really quick. Okay, so the VESA mount has been installed. Nothing to it, as you can see. And it's on there really good. Matches the same color as the iMac. So it's not as visible as you can see. So let's get the mounting bracket on for the on the wall. I'm going to mount it right there on the wall. So let's get to it. I just wanted to show you really quick what the VESA mount looks like on the stand of the iMac. I may take and cut the stand off right here, but we'll see. Let's get her mounted and see what happens.